In 3D printing, filaments are the materials used to create physical objects layer by layer. It's the raw material that keeps you printing. There's abundance of types available to you. What are they and their applications? How to store filaments? Let's jump in. In the realm of consumer 3D printing, PLA is king. PLA is easy to print with lower printing temperature and doesn't warp as easily. It's generally considered as an odorless filament. Another appealing aspect of PLA is it's available in a nearly endless abundance of colors and styles. And it's a biodegradable thermoplastic. In terms of cost, PLA filament is inexpensive and easy to print, making it a cost-effective filament. When should I use PLA 3D printer filament? In this case, a better question might be, when shouldn't I use PLA? Compared to other types of 3D printer filament, PLA is brittle, so avoid using it when making items that might be bent, twisted, or repeatedly dropped, such as phone cases, hardware toys, or tool handles. You should also avoid using it with items that need to withstand higher temperatures, as PLA tends to deform around temperatures of 60 degrees Celsius or higher. For all other applications, PLA makes for a good overall choice in 3D printer filament. Note: avoid bending the filament in our daily use, for it may affect its usability. Please store the opened filament spools in a resealable box or bag, better with silica gel pads, and keep them in a dry and cool place when not in use. Additionally, unload filaments in time if you're not going to print anything. By keeping them these ways will help you make them last longer. As for loading and unloading filaments, you can check the guide video and explore instructions. One more thing, be careful when you cut filaments, for the small sections go fast and can hit you accidentally. Next, let's look at some other 3D printer filament varieties and their applications. ABS really shines is with items that are frequently handled, dropped, or heated. Examples include phone cases, hardware toys, tool handles, Lego bricks, and bicycle helmets, automotive trim components, and electrical enclosures. Due to its flexibility, strength, and resistance to high temperature and impact, PETG is often used for functional objects' mechanical parts, such as printer parts and protective components. TPE and TPU are used for creating objects that need to take a lot of wear. Their appliances include toys, phone cases, wearable items like wristbands. Taking advantage of nylon's strength, flexibility, and durability, this type of 3D printer filament can be used to create tools, functional prototypes, or mechanical parts. Consider using wood-filled 3D printer filament when printing objects displayed on a desk, table, or shelf. Metal can be used to print for aesthetics and functionality. As for carbon fiber, it is a fantastic candidate for mechanical components due to its structural strength and low density. Clay or ceramic 3D printer filament can provide clay-like or ceramic-like properties, including temperature resistance, and can be fired in a kiln. Above all, we cover most of the everyday 3D printer filaments, such as PLA and PETG, and some fancy stuff. We hope this video gives you an overall understanding of different filaments of their applications, especially PLA, and optimize the storage. Thanks for watching, and goodbye!